I would like to share something exciting with you guys, something really beautiful. So this brand, SilkSilky, they reached out to me and they were kind enough to send me these beautiful pieces. This is the way it comes in this kind of envelope. You guys, the exposure is so bright. I don't know why. I'm actually sitting in front of the window, that's why. So yeah, I already kind of unboxed it. I have an idea what it is because they asked me to choose what I want, right, on their website. So they sent me 4 items. I know, right? 4 items in this small box, in this small envelope. So the first thing they sent me was this silky pillowcase, silky white pillowcase. I chose the king size. Yeah, so this is king size silky white pillowcase. So if you know, silky pillowcases are way better than cotton, right? And for someone like me who deals with acne, this is the perfect pillowcase that I need. The second thing they sent me was a sleeping mask. I chose this brown color because it's really nice and cute. Everything is like silk. The next item they sent to me was, I've forgotten what this thing is called. I'll remember the name and put it on the screen, but it's like hair packer, that kind of thing. So yeah, comes like this in this new animal skin print. It's really lovely. Finally, the last item is this scarf, this blue scarf, because I need to adjust backwards because of the exposure. Like, so much. Yeah, so if you know me too well, let me see if I can reduce it. Okay, if you know me too well, you know that I love scarves, like, and I don't have anything like this, like in this color or this kind of print. Like, I'm super excited for these items. SilkSilky items are pure silk items, and these items be wrinkle resistant and anti-allergy. You can always iron these items to avoid creases and all of that. So their items ranges from what I showed you guys to pajamas, nightwear, robe, duvet covers, I think bed sheets, and anything like really silk fabrics, right? Silk materials or fabrics. Yeah, their materials are purely mulberry silk. Like I said, you can always iron it to improve the appearance. And also, guys, you can give these items to your loved ones for their birthday, anniversary, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, New Year, Christmas, whatever. You can always gift these items to your loved ones. So they also offer services of writing cards if you leave a remark while placing your order. So yeah, these are the beautiful pieces that they sent to me. Thank you, SilkSilky, for sending me these lovely items. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to leave all the details on the screen and also in the description box if you're interested and you want to get some of these items. And I think I have a discount code. If I do, before I put this video up, I'm going to leave it on the screen. Okay.